State health officials have announced that mosquitoes collected in Greenfield and Wales have tested positive for West Nile virus. According to the Mass Department of Public Health website, the positive samples were taken on Wednesday, August 28th in both communities. The city of Greenfield told Western Mass News Today that their health department is working closely with the DPH and other agencies regarding this discovery. As of today, there have been 4 human cases of West Nile virus in Massachusetts and two human cases of Triple E.